Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing great. We are from Maqbool Solutions Software Company, and today we have an exciting session for you. In this video, we'll learn how to generate customer invoices in the eSalesAnalyst point of sale software. Generating customer invoices. To create an invoice, click on the Invoice module, go to Invoice Details, then hit New Invoice to generate a fresh bill. Sounds easy, right? But wait, there's more. A shortcut key, Alt-N, lets you open the invoice screen instantly no matter where you are in the software. Super fast and convenient. And hey, did you know? You can even resize the sales screen. Just click those three dots and adjust it the way you like. Perfect for cashiers and operators who want a better view. Payment options. Choose wisely. 99% of invoices are cash-based. Yes, you heard that right. The bank option? Only for special cases like wholesale and distribution businesses where payments come via bank transfer. For everyday retail sales, cash is king. Wholesale versus retail pricing. Make the right choice. Want to switch to wholesale pricing? Just click wholesale. Boom, done. Need custom pricing? Click on comments and set it up instantly. Simple, right? Invoice description. Add important notes. This is your magic field. Use it to add manual serial numbers, no confusion later, enter temporary customer names for walk-in clients, mention details for hospitals, clinics, or any specialized businesses. Salesman feature, track sales like a pro. Running a cash and carry business or a wholesale setup? This feature is a game changer. Got multiple salesmen? No worries, select their names from the salesman list. So easy. Want the logged in user's name to appear automatically? Just enable a setting and boom, it's done. Best part? You can track sales per salesman and ensure smooth cash counter reconciliation. Adding items to the invoice, super easy. Search for products using barcode scanning. Just scan and go. Product name, type it, select it, done. Registration number, especially for medicines. Scan the same item multiple times? No problem. The quantity updates automatically. Need to check stock? The available quantity is displayed right next to the item name. No surprises. Select items however you like. Click with your mouse? Sure. Use arrow keys, enter? Absolutely. Fast and smooth. Applying discounts and printing bills. Quick and easy. Want to apply a discount? Just press 12. That's it. Ready to finalize the bill? You have two options. Press Ctrl-P for sale and print. Invoice ready instantly. No printer, no problem. Just save the invoice without printing. Advanced POS features. Next level stuff. One batch number selection. A must for medicines and distributors. Want to see available batches? Press Control Space. It's all there in front of you. Different batches, different prices. No worries. This feature handles it like a pro. 2. Selling multiple batches in one invoice. Absolutely possible. Just add the same item twice in the invoice. Change the batch number for each entry. That's it. This is a lifesaver for businesses that need precise batch tracking. You have the option of you owe 'em. You can even hire it if you want. With this, you can manage sales in both your units effortlessly. As soon as you set your main unit, everything, quantity, available quantity, purchase price, sale price, holder price, will instantly convert into the main unit for a single item. Isn't that amazing? By default, the smaller unit will be used, but wait, with UOM settings, you can select a default base unit too. If you're a wholesaler or distributor, your sales bill will automatically be generated in main units. And for small businesses and retailers, no worries. You can set it up so that sales bills are in pieces or secondary units. So convenient, right? Oh, and there's more. The packaging option lets you see the packaging details right away, and they'll even be mentioned on your sales invoices. How cool is that? And look at this. You can specify net quantity, ensuring that only the available batch gets sold. No more confusion. Now let's talk discounts. Want to apply an item-wise discount? Go ahead. You can set it as a percentage, maybe 2%, or fix it like risk 10 or 5 off. And guess what? You can mix and match. Some items can have percentage discounts while others get fixed discounts. Total flexibility. And wait, there's still more. Your total bill will be displayed clearly, and before finalizing, you get options to add extra charges or apply a flat discount instead of item-wise discounts. You can even apply a double discount if needed. Isn't that just perfect for any business? The best part, nothing is mandatory. Use only what works for you and skip the rest. Now that's what I call smart business management. Next, you have the total option, where you can see the total amount of each item. After applying the discount, the remaining amount in rupees, RS, and the subtotal will be displayed. Similarly, we have already mentioned the comment price. For example, you can sell this item for up to. This is the price mentioned on the product, while 300 RS is the selling price you have set. If, by mistake, an item gets added to the bill, don't worry. You can delete it by clicking on it with the mouse. And if you don't want to use the mouse, no problem. Just select the product and press the delete key on the keyboard to remove it. You can also memorize or create a quotation. If you need to provide a quotation to someone or temporarily hold a bill, just use the memorize button. Your bill will be safely held and you can reopen it anytime from the memorized options. If it's a cash bill and you want to generate it under a proper customer name, you can. If no payment has been made, enter 000. Otherwise, enter the paid amount. When finalizing the bill, the previous balance of the account will also be added automatically. And what if the customer isn't already in the system? Simple. Just click the Add button, enter the name, and you're good to go. Filling in other fields is completely optional. Now, let's talk about the only barcode option. This is a game changer for cash and carry businesses and scanning-based systems. Once enabled, you can quickly scan items in the POS screen. And guess what? In the next update, the only barcode feature will also support mobile IMEI number tracking. This will be super useful for businesses dealing with mobile phones. There is also a print note with invoice button. Want to print warranty details or sales notes along with the invoice? Just click the button and it will be printed right on the A4 invoice. But if you don't want to print it, you can simply disable the option and save the invoice without any extra details. And here's a pro tip. If you created a bill or a rough bill and wanted to delete it, just reset it. Click the reset button or press Ctrl+R and boom, the bill is gone. No saving, no hassle, just a fresh start. That's all for today's video on the SalesPoint system. Still confused? No worries, there are plenty of features we haven't covered yet. Click the settings button to hide show options, add text, and customize your display just the way you like. For more trending videos, visit our official YouTube channel. Tons of useful content is already there, so stay tuned for the next official videos. Until then, goodbye and take care.